What? You sneezed.
Yes, so now you say...
Ambulance, I need you.
What are you... What?
Okay, you don't have a temperature. That's good.
Well, no, I just sneezed once. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, whatever, okay, well, do you have any other ill symptoms, like,
No, I don't.
Well, okay, I advise you stay isolated for a while, don't really go anywhere.
Mate, no, all I need to do is go and blow my nose. Thank you very, very much.
Well, okay, just wipe down any surface that the bacteria went on, okay? Right, so what sort of stuff do you need to treat this virus then? Do you need, like, I don't know, medicine? Like, I don't know, just some soup or something?
No, a simple bless you would have been nice.
Okay, bless you. Now, anything else?
No, now just get out, please.
Okay.
Damn it, I was too late.